Hi students, welcome to the last part of the first lesson. In this video we are going to see how we are going to measure the distance in space, like the distance between the sun and the earth, the distance between the earth and stars, and the distance between stars. So come, let's see in detail. To describe the distance in space, we have to learn two terms. They are astronomical unit and light year. First one is astronomical unit, which the distance between the sun and earth are measured. We know that earth revolves around the sun. Which we don't know is that it revolves in an elliptical orbit and not in a circular path. Elliptical means nothing but an elongated circle. So sometimes the earth comes near to the sun and sometimes far. When the earth comes near the sun, it has the shortest distance of 147.1 million kilometer, that is 14 crore 71 lakh kilometer, and that is termed as perihelion position. And when the earth moves far, it makes a distance of 152.1 million kilometer, that is 15 crore 21 lakh kilometer. This is termed as aphelion position. So if we make an average distance between the earth and the sun, it comes as 149.6 million kilometer, and this distance is called as 1 astronomical unit. And that what is given here as 1 astronomical unit is equal to 149.6 million kilometer, that is 149.6 into 10 to the power of 6 kilometer, or in meter it is expressed as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Next one is light year. So before going into the topic of light year, we have to know about the speed of light in vacuum. So light travels in vacuum. Vacuum means no air. In space, there is no air. So it is said to be vacuum in space. The speed of light in space is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That is, for 1 second, the light reaches a distance of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter, which is 3 lakh kilometer, just for a second. Now come to the calculation of how many seconds does a year have. So we have to multiply everything, that is number of seconds in a minute, number of minutes in a hour, number of hours in a day, and number of days in a year, which is given as 60 into 60 into 24 into 365. First 60 is nothing but the seconds in a minute, and the second 60 is number of minutes in a hour, then the 24 is number of hours in a day, and 365 is all we know, number of days in a year. By multiplying these, we get 3 crore 15 lakhs 36,000 seconds, which is 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 7 seconds. So we got the distance travelled by speed in 1 second, which is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter, and the total seconds in a year, which is 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 7. Now coming to the light year. The light year is nothing but the distance travelled by the light in a year. For this, we have to multiply the speed of light with the number of seconds in a year. That is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 into 3.1536 into 10 to the power of 7, which it gives 9.4608 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. We can also take it as 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter, which gives a light year. So 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. In terms of light year, the earth and the solar system are at a distance of 4.22 light year, and the earth is about 25,000 light years away from the galactic center. So that's all for first unit. and the second unit will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.